Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we'll discuss about Mphasis Limited. Mphasis Limited, all of you know, it's a multinational company and it's a software company. So today I received the dividend from Mphasis, and if you are holding this stock, or if you up to record date, if you have hold it, then you might have also received the dividend today. And you know that the dividend was 46 rupees per share. So software companies like ACL Tech, your TCS, Infosys, then Mphasis, Larsen and Turbo, L&T, Infotech, LTI. So all these companies, they pays excellent or regular dividends. Um, though some of the company, the market price is very high if you'll compare with their dividend, but they pays dividend almost in each quarter, these companies. So that's a good sign for the shareholder like us, or the shareholders or the investors who love dividends. So for them, this type of dividend, if yearly twice or thrice, if we are getting dividend, then it's good, because the reason of holding the company is that we should get some capital gain. Along with that, if we are getting continuous dividend, then it's great, right? Because we don't have to do anything. And when the company is going, uh, means when it is at its 52 weeks low or lower than even 52 weeks, then we can add these stocks which are large cap, which are very strong, which have very strong fundamentals and multinational companies. So we can add these stocks when they are available at a cheap price, because we shouldn't always be means all our portfolio should be diversified, right? Because most of the PSU, if you are a dividend lover, and most of the PSU companies like Coal India, your PFC, then IOC, Indian Oil, right? OIL, then this type of company, NTPC, they pays a huge amount of dividend, let's say 7 8% or 9%, like that. But we also have to diversify our portfolio. Not only this PSU, we have to look some other stocks also, which will have which have the potential, growth potential. Along with that, it pays also some amount of at least dividend. So like that, I have added Crisil yesterday. Right? Crisil is a rating agency, and there is a very good capital gain in Crisil, if you'll say last 2 3 years, 2 years, if you'll see. And also Crisil pays a very regular dividend. I would not say that it pays a very high amount of dividend, but regular dividend. It's fine if some companies are giving a high amount of dividend, some companies are paying decent amount, but giving some capital gain, strong fundamentals. So that's also a good sign of investing long term. I find Mphasis is a good one. I'm planning, because the company is today itself 6% down. I'm planning to add some more Mphasis in the next working days, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So the share price is approximately available today. It's around 2,177. So when we are buying at low, some of the good stocks, there is also a good means great chance that it can give us a quick return, quick capital gain. Also, it can give us sometimes, due to temporary factors, the market goes down or the share price goes down. So suddenly, within a few days, it again comes back to its original price. So it gives a quick gain to the investors also. And if we are a short term investor, then also we can sell them. Um, Dividend yield, you can see 2.11 percent dividend yield, which is good also. Some of you argue, some of my friend also tells that always dividend is not a parameter. Yes, I also tell that dividend is always not a parameter. Always don't decide a company based upon dividend. It should be your own analysis and the interest. If you are interested in mining center sector, you can invest in Vedanta. I mean, Hindustan Zinc. These are the good company that I believe. So you can plan accordingly, right? Whatever your interest, it's nothing like that. You should listen to me or my advice. It's not that like that. The videos are only to aware about the dividend is the excellent income and excellent passive income. And if you will buy some of the good dividend paying company at their lows, then definitely will get excellent amount of dividend, excellent percentage, right? Now Vedanta paying 20 rupees, Hindustan Zinc paying 20 rupees per share. Now you see when Vedanta was available 2 years back, 60 rupees. So out of 60, you are getting 20 rupees. So see how, if you're holding, let's say last 2 years, so how much percentage you are getting, you can imagine. It's 30, approximately more than 30% you are getting. So it's great, right? Uh, so if you look at Mphasis income statement, let us a little bit analyze it. So the sale has increased year on year. Of course, June quarter it was 2,690. Now June 2022 it's 3,400. So you can see approximately 1,000 crore, 800 crore year on year growth on sales. Net profit also has increased 330, 340 crore to 460 crore approximately. uh, the net profit increment in the net profit, which is also a good sign for a company if the net profit is increasing. The shareholding pattern, if you look, then also the promoter holding is more than 55%. The FII, DIA are also holding 20% and good amount 5%, right? And mm, in last quarter, FIA has decreased the holdings from 21% to 20%, right? And promoter also have decreased 0.8%, 0.08% from 55%, 55.80 to 55.72. Little bit concerning, but not great. What about the company? Mphasis Limited is a global information technology services company. The company specializes in providing a suite of application development and maintenance services, the infrastructure outsourcing services, and business process outsourcing solution to clients worldwide. The company segment includes banking and capital market, insurance, information technology, communication and entertainment, and emerging industries. So these are the um, sectors or areas the company does the business. In management, Devinder Singh Brer is the chairman. CEO and managing director is Nitin Rakesh, is the CEO and director of Mphasis. So this is all about a basic analysis of this company. Now it's your turn. If you wish that this company is good, or if you like the IT company. Some people do not like IT companies. They believe that IT will crash soon, or maybe, I don't know, maybe it may crash. So mm, but it's your call. If you are, if you like these software companies, because at least 5% of my portfolio 5 to 10% are of software, because I believe that the way AI, artificial intelligence, or you can say machine learning, or the automations coming up in the future also. So I think that IT has a great role, and every banking sector, from let's say from banking sector to hospital, automated operations, many things, government functioning. So IT is playing a major role in in this present days, and I think in future more active role IT will play. That's why I believe that IT company will have means will make good business in future. So as an investor, I feel that the dividend and also the capital again definitely will be there in these ITs, the IT major companies. These are the major players, so definitely will get some good returns. That's what I believe, but it's your personal choice, your personal money. Yeah, and you can talk to your investor guide or whatever the your financial advisor, and you can analyze of your own. Then you should invest because it's your money. You shouldn't invest ever with anyone else advice. Now, if you see the history of the dividend, 5th July was the ex date, and today, 26th July, we received the dividend. The September 13th, 2021, 38 rupees it paid dividend. Then 2021 September means uh, special and final altogether in 2021, 38 plus 20, no, 40, 60, 65, approximately 65 rupees dividend the company paid in 2021. 2020, 35 rupees. 2019, 27 rupees. So you can see the pattern that every year the company is paying dividend. Even 2020, that is the COVID time, that time also 35 rupees per share the company has paid dividend. So it's a in dividend terms, in dividend, if we'll say dividend uh, income, the company pays continuously. But some argue, some of you some of the friends argue that dividend, if the company pays dividend continuously, means all the profit it is distributing among the shareholders, right? This is the meaning. So how the company will grow, right? So my point is, that's why if we shouldn't invest in very high dividend paying company, right? If it is not very large cap or PSU type company, because the company whatever it is getting profit, it is already only distributing. It is not, if the company is not reinvesting the profit to some other work, then that means there is no growth opportunity of the company. The company has no such plan to make it grow, or there is no growth opportunity. So that is what many analysts say. So that's true also, right? But as a tension free or relaxed investor, if we want to become a relaxed investor, then I feel that the high dividend paying company we should invest, and when they are at low we should invest more, so that we'll get a high dividend yield of our investment when the market will go up. So for today, let us stop here. We'll see you tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, with another topic. Till then, bye bye. Good night. Keep on investing and enjoy the dividends.